Take it down.
The Golden Hotel.
As usual,
Going down. More Dover DMCs.
hey, at least they're still running.
Right?
Well, why did the job decide to work later, but not when I called it? Should we wait down here a minute so we don't pick up the...
Yeah, that'd be really awkward.
Yeah, let's get off.
Let's see. Oh wait, no, that one's open.
Feeling.
They got picked up. Look, we can watch them go.
Oh, is it the elevator?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Hear the motor too. Wow, this is really little down here.
Yeah, that's where the machine room
Right there.
is. Probably right in there.
Did you have to go out?
I think this is a Magnox door. Card readers here. Stuff like that too.
What the heck? Was it a delay?
That's some delay.
There's also a delay when I called it.
Orange-ish.
Look at this. Let's look at this menu.
Bridgewater Grill.
Yeah. No chicken nuggets. I don't want it.
No chicken nuggets. Hey, we didn't check the whole menu. Maybe they have chicken nuggets.
Too bad. Didn't see it in the first 5 seconds.
I'll try to look at it right now. I don't think there's any chicken nuggets. Anything on the kids menu?
Kids menu?
Is there a kids menu?
Doesn't look like it. What kind of place is this?
Place without a kids menu. That's what kind of place it is.
This is neat. Very, whoa. What the? Dude, look at the phone. Oh, it's just a new one made to look old. Doesn't actually. Yeah, it's just new made to look old.
A house phone.
That's cool though.
What would you call a house phone?
Why did this elevator just open back up?
I don't know. This might be the service.
I don't think there's service elevators here. At a floor hotel.
Probably a housekeeping. I would like to do more about those tours. This would be the kind of place to inquire, but it's a little late to inquire.
Yeah.
I'd rather do it during the day.
That door takes for. Oh man, the door's stuck.
Completely
That's
stuck.
why. Are we gonna be able to get down from here?
Let's try to push it.
There we go. Needed a little help.
Well, at least we got to ride something, but both places were Dover.
Yeah. That doesn't feel good.
Yeah.
Look, the speaker's built in. That's not too common on Dover impulses.
This must be in Dover.
Probably 90s. Anyway, there it goes. And there's a picture of a man falling off a horse, and that's it.